Rahman Rahim. Penicillin. Today we are discussing the medicinal chemistry of penicillin. In 1939, Fleury and Chain isolated penicillin by freeze drying, while in 1941 they conducted first clinical trial on the crude extract of penicillin and they were succeeded. 1944 penicillin were produced in large quantity, while in 1945 X-ray analysis structure of penicillin was conducted. In 1957 Sheehan succeeded in full synthesis of penicillin, while in 1958 Beecham isolated the biosynthetic intermediate of penicillin, and that was known as 6-APA, 6 amino penicillinic acid. 6, because at position number 6 this is amino group. So this whole skeleton is known as 6-amino penicillinic acid. This was isolated in 1958 by Beecham. In 1976, Beecham discovered a nature product, clavulanic acid, which was effective in protecting penicillin from bacterial enzyme. Let us discuss the structure of this first antibiotic, penicillin. Look here. The numbering of penicillin according to the Guessworld is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At position number 6, there is amino group, so that's why this is known as 6-amino penicillin. And this is acid, that's why this is known as 6-amino penicillinic acid. Now look here, this ring is known as beta-lactam ring. What is lactam? Lactam are cyclic amide, कार्बोनाइल कार्बन और इसके बाद नाइट्रोजन, तो इसको अमाइड कहते हैं, और जब ये साइक्लिक स्ट्रक्चर बनाएं तो इसको कहते हैं साइक्लिक अमाइड, और साइक्लिक अमाइड को कहते हैं बीटा लैक्टेम. अब इधर देखिए, इस कार्बोनाइल के बाद जो कार्बन है इसको कहते हैं अल्फा कार्बन, और इसके बाद जो कार्बन होता है दैट इज नोन एज बीटा, गेमा एंड सो ऑन. अब इधर देखिए, इस कार्बन के बाद इसके साथ, इस कार्बोनाइल कार्बन के साथ एडजेसेंट कार्बन जो है दैट इज कार्बन नंबर 6, एंड दिस इज नोन एज अल्फा कार्बन. अब इसके बाद जो कार्बन है दैट इज बीटा कार्बन. नाउ द बीटा कार्बन इज कनेक्टेड विद नाइट्रोजन, दैट्स व्हाई दिस रिंग इज नोन एज बीटा लैक्टेम. अगर अल्फा बीटा गेमा, अगर गेमा कार्बन वाज कनेक्टेड विद नाइट्रोजन तो इसको फिर हम कहेंगे गेमा लैक्टेम. अब चूंकि बीटा लैक्टेम इसका नाइट्रोजन के साथ कनेक्टेड है तो इस रिंग को हम कहते हैं बीटा लैक्टेम. This beta-lactam ring is very essential for antibacterial activity. This beta-lactam ring is the part of many antibiotics such as penicillin, cephalosporin, carbapenems, monobactam. So this beta-lactam is essential. The next ring is known as thiazolidine. Thia stand for sulfur, zo stand for nitrogen. Azotemia is a condition, azotemia, in which nitrogen level is increased in the blood. So azo di nitrogen containing drug, azo. So thia mean sulfur and zol stand for this nitrogen. So this is thiazolidine ring. This ring is also essential, and this ring must be fused with beta lactam ring. This bicyclic structure is essential for antibacterial activity, and this beta lactam must be fused with thiazolidine in this position. If you extend this structure, if you extend this thiazolidine structure from 1 2 3 4 5 member to 6 member, अगर आप इसको 5 मेंबर से 6 मेंबर में कन्वर्ट कर ले तो that thiazolidine ring fused with beta lactam, now the structure is known as 7 amino penicillinic acid, and that is the skeleton of cephalosporin. Means we can extend this thiazolidine ring. अगर आप इस thiazolidine ring को 1 कार्बन के साथ 1 कार्बन इंक्रीमेंट के साथ एक्सटेंड कर ले तो मीन यू कैन चेंज द एंटीबैक्टीरियल स्पेक्ट्रम, बट वी कैन नॉट extend this beta lactam ring into gamma lactam ring. If you extend this beta lactam ring into gamma lactam ring, this will be no more antibacterial. Thank you for listening. Next, wait for next video.